Hello guys, today I want to trading in market crypto, especially Ethereum or ETH in MT5 or MetaTrader 5. Yesterday, Ethereum in time frame 1 hour, he bearish, but now maybe Ethereum can break out after bearish. But in 1 hour, EMA 90, Ethereum can break. Okay, but no problem. Today I want to trade scalping in Ethereum. I want to check in 15 minutes. Okay, wait, this is bullish and I want to buy. This moment is for buy one lot in Ethereum. Okay, I want to check now. This is profit or floating minutes, just $2. Now we can see and check stop loss if the market is good on. Maybe in here because I see this is strong support from Ethereum, because in 1 2 3 price can break from this price and he go to up. Okay, wait, in M1 or 1 minute time frame. Okay, wait, this is floating minutes for Ethereum, but no problem. This is a trading man. Okay, maybe I want to take profit in here because this is a resistance in M30 or time frame 30 in Ethereum. Okay, maybe next I want to trading in market forex. Okay, see you, goodbye, and profit.